Alright, for this video we have a HomePod mini and I'm going to be unboxing it and showing it off to you guys and kind of play with the features a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Alright. So this has the plastic on it, and now it's a matte finish box and slides out pretty easily like that. This is the orange color. There are other colors as well, but I got the orange one mainly because it matches the color of my bed, which is coral, and I thought this would be a nice little color. So more packaging right here on the wire. So it looks like the wire here is plugged in permanently, so that's what I'm looking at. There's a little tab right here. We have an Energy Star Saver tag right here, and I'm gonna get rid of that. And this has the Apple logo on the bottom. The wire looks like it's color coded to the color of whatever HomePod mini color you get. So this is like a pinkish, and in real life it looks closer to pink, or like salmon pink. And here we have the top of it, plus minus, so I'm assuming that's volume control. And this is like a very plush feel, like all around, and it feels really nice to hold and to touch. We have the, I guess, the quick start guide. I'm gonna flip that over to show you guys. And what else do we have? I think warranty information. Yeah, that's all that stuff is. And you get a sticker. Let's see. Try to take this out. So here's the Apple sticker. You get one of these. And at the very bottom we have the, I believe it's the 20-watt brick. Yes, this is the 20-watt brick that you get. Pretty nice, and it has the cover here to plug it in. So I have so many of these, it's not even funny. They're just lying around. So I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this thing in and start messing around with it, and I'll get back with you guys to end off this video. Alright, I need to figure out how to set this up. Okay, there it is. So it should just be like any iPad or iPhone. That should make this a lot easier to connect. Alright, there you go. HomePod is ready, so should be good to go. Yeah, we have the controls right here actually. So it looks like we have one tap for play pause, double tap for next track, triple tap for previous track, touch and hold for Siri, and tap to hold plus. What does that say? Tap or hold plus, volume up. Tap or hold minus, volume down. So that's the gist of the controls. Okay, hey Siri, play rain sounds.
Rain now playing.
Alright. I like to use rain sounds when I go to sleep, so this is like the only thing I really use. Alright, so let's go through all of these. Hey Siri, DJ for me.
Sure. Here's some music picked just for you.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Hey Siri, what's this week's forecast in Cupertino?
In Cupertino, California this week, the weather will start out with partly cloudy skies, then clear skies. Daytime temperatures will hover around 65 degrees, with overnight lows between 37 degrees and 41 degrees.
Alright. Hey Siri, set a 45-minute lasagna timer.
45-minute lasagna timer, starting now.
Okay, so actually I went to the home app and the timer that I had set. Alright, so if I click on it, obviously you can see my music there, but if you scroll down, you can see the timer is active. So you can see the timer going on there at 42 minutes right now. So that's really nice. That's what I was trying to find. And I think it's downloading a software update. Alright, let's continue down this list. Hey Siri, how many millimeters in a cup?
Millimeters and cups are not compatible.
Wait, what? Oh, hey Siri, how many milliliters in a cup?
Uh-huh. 1 cup is 236.59 milliliters.
Alright, hey Siri, play The Weeknd's latest album. Oh, The Weeknd made it on here.
Now
That's nice.
playing Dawn FM by The Weeknd.
I don't think I've listened to this actually, but that's nice. Hey Siri, play some dance music.
Dance station now playing.
Hey Siri, play the sound of ocean waves.
Here's ocean.
Okay, so I really wanted to show the pinging my phone or device. So now I'm not recording on my phone anymore, and let's try this. Hey Siri, find my iPhone.
Looking for your iPhone. It's nearby. Pinging your iPhone now.
And there you go. That's how that works. And my phone's going crazy. Alright guys, and that does it for this video. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. I have a Spotify playlist link in the description below if you want to check that out. And I have some music linked down there as well if you want to go to the actual page, which is SoundCloud, or I will have some other tracks on there or links to those tracks. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.